my weekend was great.
I'm even happier to hear that. Did you do anything exciting this weekend?
No, I didn't.
Okay. Did you by any chance like flowers?
Yeah, I like ones that look pretty or smell good. I'll give you the data currently happening just before this class. Would you like to hear that?
Yes, please. Thank you.
So, while me and my mom were figuring out this crystal growing thing, it is almost my friend Melody's birthday, so we wanted to give her a birthday present, but at the end we chose a Lego, and this crystal growing kit is ours, since our family all decided to give her the Lego.
Wow.
We already opened it.
Okay.
Yeah,
it looks very cool.
Yeah, pretty cool. It's blue. It's supposed to be blue. Because that's one of my most favorite colors. My most favorite is purple. But I don't think there's purple in there. And, by the way, so, while we were doing that, Fat Gus was arguing about something with, Augustine. They weren't, yelling, hey, what are you doing? You can't do that. Not like that. It's kind of like, hey, we had a deal. Why didn't you agree? Kind of like that. It's not like a very, very, very mad argument. And not very chaotic either. And now, I don't know what she's up to, but she's, I'm pretty sure if she hasn't came here, if she does not come here, sorry. If she does not come here, when we actually get to the topic, I guarantee she's probably skipping class for something, and I do not want her to skip class since I want her to check out this new, wallpaper. Or whiteboard.
Okay. Do you like it?
Yeah, it looks really pretty, actually. But the trio is far away, and I don't actually argue with that. I'm just saying.
Okay, well, I made it so it represents the current season, right? It's spring, and I kind of listened to everything you said. I listened to your suggestions, so I added some colors, some trees, and the Sad Gus, you can notice, is no longer wearing either a scarf or a party hat.
Oh, wow.
Yes. So I listened to all of your advice.
Okay.
Therefore, I do hope you like it. Is that a graduation hat?
I guess.
Oh. Okay. Well, thank you for this. It's no longer as cold, so Sad Gus does not need the scarf. And I think the water looks really calming, you know. The time of the day, what do you think the time of the day is?
Probably like after morning for a little bit, or it might be like 6 a.m. when the sun is not up yet, or might be the sun falling down, but I don't think so. Or it might be noon as well. Noon can have, similar things that occur to this sun right here. Like, it's half down and half up,
Okay.
but it's like, if it's half down and half up, if it's not like 12 o'clock in the morning, not in the morning, at noon, then I think it might be like maybe it's in the very, 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 very early morning, and like the sun has not rised yet.
Risen.
Has not risen yet, and maybe like, or it might be like when the sun is about to go down.
Okay, so we are debating whether it's sunrise or sunset. If you pay attention and look at the Hogwarts castle, I think it might be clear what time of the day it is. Look at the castle, there's lights, and lights are on.
Oh, so it's in the morning.
So, I'm not quite sure. I can't really tell, but maybe it's very early in the morning, or it's getting closer to the night, the nightfall, so they're preparing the castle and lighting it up. Either or. Regardless, I'm happy you like the picture that I made according to your suggestions. I'm very happy you like it.
Okay.
I had like multiple options, but this was the best one. So now, if you're ready, I would like us to take a look at the material for the class. We are about to finish what we've been learning for not this one, this one's after. So let's finish what we started. Ready? What have we started? What were we talking about?
We are talking about a lot of words. And we are also talking...
A lot of words, right?
Yeah, we are also talking about which has greater influence and stuff, and we were like making an essay and stuff. And
Yes.
One more thing I want to mention, we also stopped at page 6. So that's pretty much all.
I know that. Okay, thank you so much. So in the previous class and in all of our previous classes, we encountered some pretty important words. Would you agree with me? They're very important. We found some words and we talked about them, and they're very important. Especially these yellow words, these highlighted words. Okay, so when we write and when we don't use important or difficult words, our essay is not going to look very intellectual if we only use basic words. But if we use advanced language, do you think our essay will look better?
Yes, it would. And it would look advanced, and it would look like you're like a very good learner, like a nerd. Yeah, a nerd or something
Okay.
like that.
Do you think a nerd is a bad or a good thing to be?
It's a good thing to be if... I mean, it goes on both ways. If you don't want to be like a nerd, then you're probably those people who kind of want to be anything else other than math nerd, Chinese... Okay, not Chinese nerd. science nerd. I'm not much of a nerd, but I do like science. That's,
Okay.
yeah, I do like science, but I'm not like a very much of a fan of it. I just like it. I'll think about being a fan or being a nerd of it when I grow up a little, like when I'm 9 or something. And,
Okay.
like, a lot of nerds are usually not Chinese, English, or anything related to Chinese and English. So, like, if you want to be a nerd, you're probably, like, you probably love to learn. And you definitely love to learn, well, anything other than, if I was, like, not, like, very old, then I would be saying, like, anything else other than Chinese and English, because, that's the only two things I don't think you can be a nerd of, at school.
Okay, that's an interesting point of view, and I understand it. I think it takes more commitment, time, and maybe even intellect to kind of be superior in maths, science, and other subjects like these ones. So it takes a lot more. So I think that's maybe why we call these people nerds who are, excelling at these subjects.
Yep.
What do you mean?
I meant, what does calm mean?
Okay, let's start there. Let's start with analyzing this, and you telling me what do you think it means.
Like, analyzing calm?
Think. So it's probably a short for something, right? They shortened the word.
Okay.
In your opinion, what can this be a short for? What did they snip?
Well, it might be a short of common maintenance. Wait.
Okay.
Not sure what maintenance means, though. I just know that a lot of things that are like M means like something about maintenance or something.
Okay, so maintenance and maintaining, that means that we are keeping something in the same state for a long time. For example, if I say, Ivanka, you're maintaining your knowledge, that means you are regularly reading a lot and studying to not drop your level of knowledge, right?
Uh-huh.
Or I can say, I hired a woman to maintain my house clean. What is woman gonna do?
The woman is gonna clean her house, right?
Yes, and she's gonna keep it clean.
Yep.
Exactly. So to maintain something is to keep it, to keep it in the same state for a long period of time. So maintenance is just doing that, doing maintenance. Now, I think this probably is communication.
Oh.
Yes. So if you achieve to communicate synthesis of ideas, not just repetition, this means that you made your point come across. If you made your point come across, you successfully communicated your idea to me. And pretend that I'm the reader of your essay. If you successfully give me your idea through your essay, you did a good job.
Okay.
Very good. Are you tired?
A little.
Okay. Me too, I must say. We have the third point here, as you can see. We've gone over this a million of times now, so you know this. You know how this works.
Yeah, pretty much. I do know.
Nature is the script. Nurture is the actor.
Yeah.
If they collaborate, we have a successful outcome. And that outcome is a person who can do both this and this with this. So can you connect the script and the actor? How can they collaborate?
Maybe
You know that I wanted to be an actress when I was little?
Oh. Okay.
Yes.
Oh, wait, I got it. Like, if you use, like, if you're both, like, acting and you also make, like, you're acting and you make a script. And, so the script can write down how you should react to another actor doing something, and the script also uses exclamation marks to tell you when to be like, wow, and they use question marks to tell you when you ask questions when you're acting.
Okay.
So that's kind of helping each other.
That sounds very well. The actor and the script collaborate in a very nice way. How? You just gave me one very good point, and that's the actor reads the script, and if he plays it out, he or she, they play it out. They make a movie together, and that movie is a life.
Okay.
Yes. I want you to read this.
Don't pick a side. Show how they interact.
You never picked a side. You only told me that what you think is more powerful, right? Whether it's genes or whether it's environment. But you kind of always show how they perform very well together. Can you give me an example where both genes and environment worked very well together?
Oh, so
can you think of something?
The genes can like make you super smart, and the environment around you can make you even smarter. So, pretend like maybe environment is this purple guy. Yes, I can change pen colors without losing my purple forever. And the orange guy. Wait, no. I think cyan is cooler. And the cyan guy is the genes. And so. And so the genes make you super smart. I know there's no such brain with that color, but hey, I don't want to change my pen color again. And the environment, picks the right books. And, picks the right books for the brain. The environment can, make you smarter, like school. The environment would be like, hey, genes, I got some school things for you, and don't ask why I'm making it squirrel-like. And the genes are like, okay, cool. This thing is gonna be very, very great for our human here. Okay, let's give them this book to read. So the So the gene has an ability for the human to like books, so the human gets smarter. So they help each other.
Okay. That is a wonderful explanation and perfect usage of these colors, I must say. I love how you drew these people, cat people. Love it. We have a formula here. If we pay attention here, it's pretty basic. Can you read it?
So, thesis, antithesis, synthesis. Nature nurtures collaboration.
Okay. Do you understand this?
Nope. I do not understand.
Pardon?
Nope. I do not understand these two words.
Okay. That's why I asked. So we have thesis and antithesis or antithesis. So if we have this prefix, what did we say it means?
It means like you can like maybe it's like so that it might be two, right? Like it might be like the opposite, but
The opposite?
usually occurs on and the not opposite. Like the opposite, or like you can do it on your own, like autopilot or something. I'm not sure where I got that.
Okay, wait. You are actually onto something here. I want you to read these. I think you would understand this better if you read this. Can you do it?
Thesis. Wait, it's not pronounced Theseus, right? Because I think that's a
No.
scrawny little kid from the Greek mythology. Yeah, okay.
Good. You're learning now. Okay, very well.
Thesis. Nature. This is the idea that human traits come from biology and genetics. The abilities and characteristics we are born with. Oh, wait.
Yeah.
I thought
But
that
you
was
know,
innate.
right?
I thought that was innate.
Pardon?
I thought that was innate or whatever.
Innate?
Yeah, innate.
Yes, okay, very well. Let's go to this, and you're right.
Oh. Antithesis. Nurture.
Thesis.
Antithesis. Nurture. This is the opposite idea that people are shaped by environment, upbringing, culture, and experiences.
Experiences. Good. So we have one thesis, and that is nature. The nature is what? This is the idea that
This is the idea.
basically genetics.
Oh. So like it's like you are born with it. Like maybe like maybe this woman was born with that mole.
Yes. Very well. Why do we say antithesis? Because it's the opposite. This is the opposite idea that people are shaped by their environment. How do we make this work with this? If we make it work, what do we get?
We get working together.
Yes, or
synthesis or collaboration.
yes. This is the wrong stance to have. This is the right stance to have.
I think nature is more important. I believe it is a collaboration. The blueprint is set by genetics, but the final chapters are written by our choices. So it's like first, you be the guy that agrees with whoever that guy is that agrees with.
Yeah.
The genes are more important, and then you're right. Like the opposite, like whoever that guy is, but it's a guy, and a different one that agrees with environment being a greater influence. And then at the end, I write my own opinion, and I said like they are both really great, but they're both really great, but like they both have great influences, but genes has got to be like 2 or 5% more important than environment.
Okay.
Yeah, I said 10% because I think 2 or 5% is just this little bit.
Yes. Okay, very well, and very well calculated. I appreciate that. Good job overall on this. I want you to remember that thesis is the idea that someone has, okay?
Okay.
And antithesis is the opposing idea. This means they can work together, right? If we have two different ideas, we can make them work if we want to.
Oh.
Yeah. If we have two very different squirrels, but you will be happy if they just work together or play together or ate together, you can make them work. You can make a collaboration, and that would be a perfect synthesis.
Yep, and hey, Bacchus, you're not. Oh, she wanted to go to the party because of one thing. I think the reason that the reason that there is like a bitten piece on my notebook because she ate it and now she might be like trying to poop it out. So before she flushes the toilet and it makes a very disgusting sound, see you next time.
See you in like literally 1 minute.
Oh, see you in like literally 1 minute. See ya.
See you. Okay.